Hi, it's Jez here from Nigezza Creates. So I think it was, well, it's the last video I made, might not be the last one I showed you. I was making these origami envelopes for putting in journals. Made them with different things, including my very old ledger paper. And these ones I glued down to give them, it's origami. It was inspired by this, and this was a swap I was given, and it sort of opens up like this, but I've glued these bits down so that it had a bit more stability in a journal and had no chance of popping out. So in my first video I'll show you how I made them, and I've made them out of different things, and I've decorated them and that. But I didn't do this one because I said what I'd like to do, because this is a journal page and it's all blank, there's nothing on it, I wanted to stamp on it. So I had a go, so I came off camera and then I whipped this one together. I've now since stuck it down, but I kind of like did all the stamping in the right orientation. So and I wanted to see what it looked like, and I really like the way it looks actually. So yeah, I thought that's a keeper. That's not straight, Jez, but it's too late now because it's all inked, and that's the way it is. So this is the original one that I've made. So I'm gonna open it up so that I can see where I want things to be. Now there's certain things where I know are not going to be seen, so none of this is going to be seen. This bit is, but none of this particularly is going to be seen. And on the back side we know that we're going to see kind of inside where all the inking is. So that bit, and these two bits on the side here, we'll see some of that. So that's where we need to stamp. So I've got out, because people will ask, so I've got out this one, Collector, etc. This is the field notes, and then I've got that stamp there from this beautiful garden by Sam Paul. I actually, because this one's got one as well, but it means I've got two choices, which I didn't use on the other one, but then I remembered, oh, I've got it, so I'll use it. So that's what I'm going to do. Even though that says address, name and address, it's the other side of the thing that's got all the, there it is, all the accountants and things, but that's what I'm going to do. So got them all mounted. I'm going to use early espresso so that it's quite dark. Didn't want black, but wanted something quite dark. So let's start with this one. It's quite big actually, so normally when it's so big I do that. So gonna stick that down there, so it looks like you've written in it. That was what I wanted. And let's do this other one down here, so it's clearly different. I want something down that bit as well, so let's just have that bit of writing coming down there. There we are. That looks like it might be filled in. You're not going to see any of this, so I'm not worried, but we are going to see a bit more of this. So I'm going to carry this on down there, and then we need a bit on here. Let's come in with this one, coming in down here. So that's well and truly got lots going on. Yep, like that. So I sort of put something on that. I've got like I'm going to put this on as though it's like stamp of the approval there. I liked that. I think that's probably enough for that side. Then on this side we're going to see a little bit of this. So just that bit there we're going to see. So we might have just a wee stamp up there. I'll put this on there, coming across there like that. I think that's probably going to be enough. I'm going to just fold it back up and we'll see how it looks. Ah, we've missed that bit there. So that looks okay. I like that. Love it. So we need these two bits on the side. Need something. So that bit there and that bit there. So that needs something up there. So what I did on this one was I just inked the top bit so it looked like somebody's details there. So I'll put that in there. That may not be the section they see, it might be that bit. Thinking about it, let's have a little look here. Yeah, that bit I've just stamped. Don't see at all. Needs to be up there. So I need something up there. I'm just going to stamp it again up there. That'll do. So then over here, that would be continuing down. So we'll put this one on there. There we go. I might stick one of them in. So I think we got that there. So we've got a bit there we could actually put something on. We're all right there. We're all right there. We're all right there. So we've got a gap there. Although it don't matter, does it? I think. Although I could. Put that on there. Yeah. I do like seeing that there. We'll have another one. That's it. That's it. Walk away, Jess. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. So, I do love the feel of this paper. There. That's fine. So, we want to put some glue on this to hold it in place. And then just something close it. And I'm just getting hot, boiling hot for the first time today. Snow hit us today. And temperature dropped. And I had to go out. And I got absolutely freezing. Came back and I've only just taken my scarf off, and I am now just taking my hat off because I got really, really hot just then. There we go. So crazy weather. We just seem to all be getting extremes of weather, don't we? In a few months' time, we'll probably be complaining about a massive heat wave, won't we? There we go. There we go. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So let's move them out of the way. So now I just put some Tracy label. I don't know what to do with them. There we go. Let's have a look, see at what. This is ridiculous, the size of this. I am in the process of making one a better size because it's just not really practical. So I've got that big one there that says account, which is probably extremely appropriate. Or we've got one there that says balance. I put balance on that one. Quite like the look of a balance on there. I do apologise about those pings. I thought I'd sorted it out. I don't get notifications, but what I've done is I've stopped getting notifications on my phone, and that one's come through on my iPad. Or shall we go for that? It's not that hard a decision, Jez. I don't know why you're making it such a hard thing, really. Oh, then she looks up there and sees that, which is a very dark blue. I thought it was black. No, we'll have that one. We're having that one. That's the one we're having. Put them away before you change your mind. So there we go. Yeah, I don't find this. It was an experiment. I didn't go too far. Oh, well, I have. I've done another couple of pages. These big ones stay in quite well, but these little ones, they just fall out, actually. It was only £2 this, and there's lots of brown paper there that I can repurpose and reuse, so it's not a great loss. So we'll have this. We will ink around the outside. Might need a bit more ink on that. And that will be me done. So if you want to see how I made the envelopes, if you missed that, then do check back. Origami envelopes. It was for the JJ Mass Make March. But I spent an hour and hadn't quite finished decorating this, so I thought I'll do a separate video for that because an hour's enough in it, really. And I know you can watch at double speed. You do sound a bit pinky and perky when you do that, but 1.5 speed, you still sound pretty normal. But that's still quite a long time, isn't it? And not everybody's like me that can sit at their craft desk all day long and just watch videos whilst they're crafting. So I'm just going down each side. So put that at the bottom there. That's just holds it in place. And that'll be lovely. So that is a nice size envelope. That was the bigger one I made, and then when it opens up, you've got quite a big gusset there, so you could fill that. That could be a nice little happy mail to somebody. And the fact that you've gone in there and you're looking down, there's nothing written on there. Perhaps I should have stamped a bit more on the inside. Did I on this one? No, I didn't. So you've got like nothing on the inside. So I could have stamped on the inside, although I quite like it being clean, so you can see what's in there. But anyway, options, if you've got similar. I mean, you can get digitals, can't you, that are ledger paper. But there we go. That is my very quick make today, just over 15 minutes. So, yeah, just thought I'd come on and do that if you've never thought about it. I say I quite like the fact of following the direction of the original piece. So had it been written on, they would all look like that, upside down round the wrong way and everything else. But yeah, a wee one and a big one. So yeah, okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all again very, very soon. Bye for now.